Good evening, students. Hope you are all doing well. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most important concept in Python, that is Python list. Okay, Python list is a core data structure. We are going to discuss Python list in this session. Please watch my video till end. And at the end, if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Visionary Tech. Okay, let's get started. I'm sharing it. Yeah, hope the screen is visible. Before starting practicals on list, I want to give a simple overview on what is a list. See, basically, list is a collection of elements which contain a particular order, which are in particular order. Basically, I want to tell it more simple in a more simple way. Basically, list is a ordered collection of elements. Lists the items in the lists are enclosed within square brackets and the items are separated by commas. List can hold different data types like numbers, string, or even other list. I want to explain one difference between array and list. Basically, you all guys are familiar with array. Array means where the array is a data structure where we can store many number of elements belong to same data type. But here in the case of list, we can store many elements we want, as many elements we want, with different data structure where each element can belong to different data structure. This is one difference between array and list. Array need to explicitly import module, but here in the list we don't need to import any module. It is built-in function of Python. It is built-in data structure of Python. So let's begin with practical session. There are six most important operations of list. That is, we are going to discuss in today's session. First, append. See, append is used to add an element at the end of the list. Okay. See, here I have created a list L1 and stored elements 11, 22, 33. Okay. This is the original output. Now, I want to append an element. I want to append an element, say 44. After appending it, let's see the output. See, here 44 means appending means adding an element at the end of the list. Okay, inserting an element at the end of the list. That is why at the end of the list 44 is listed. Okay, so final output after append is 11, 22, 33, 44. This is about append. Append means inserting an element at the end of the list. Okay. Insert. Insert means inserting an element at a specific index. Okay. I guess most of you heard the term index. Index means nothing but it is a technique used to improve data retrieval process. In Python, list index starts from 0. Okay. Forward index starts from 0. Forward index, or you can call it as normal index, it starts from 0. But when you want to make it as a reverse indexing, the reverse indexing starts from -1. So here, there are three elements stored, 1, 2, 4. But here, when we are discussing about indices, here first 1 is at the 0th index, 2 is at first index, 4 is at second index. Okay. Now at second index, I want to insert an element 3. Okay. Let's run this. Now this 4 is there no earlier at second index. It is pushed after inserting 3, and it is third index got automatically created and 4 is placed on the third index. So now the final output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 is at 0th index, 2 is at 1, 3 is at 2, 4 is at third. The index will be a third index will be automatically created in this case, and 4 will be placed there. This is about insert. Sorry. Insert means used to insert an element at a specific index at a list. Okay, next operation. Okay, this is also one of the example in list. Same here, I am inserting an element called 9 at index 1. So the final output you can see 1, 1 is at 0th index, 9 I have inserted at index 1. So 3 went to second index, and third index got automatically prepared, and 5 is placed in that index. Okay, this is about insert. Extend. Extend means there will be two separate lists. You are combining it into one using extend command. You are making it into one. Let's see how it is. See, there are two lists. List 1, 1 comma 2, list 2, 3 comma 4. Okay. In this case, list 1 dot extend list 2. Okay. List 1, I am giving extend command. List 2, I am extending list 2 with list 1. That is why I am printing list 1 here. So the final output is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. These both lists got merged. Next, list now another example of same extend command. Here I have created two lists. Now I want to merge list 3 with list 4. I want to combine list 3 with list 4. So what I am giving list 4 dot extend command list 3 in brackets. Okay. So if I run this, you can see first list 4 elements are there, followed by that list 3 elements are there. This is about extend. Means merging two different lists into one is called extend. Remove. Remove is used to remove the first occurrence of a value from this list. See, basically here there are colors, list of colors. Red, blue, green, blue. Here blue repeated twice. So I am giving I want to remove one blue color. So colors dot remove blue. So as per definition, it removes first occurrence of a value. So first this blue gets removed. See, this blue gets removed. Previously red, after that blue, after that green, and after that again blue was there. After remove command, here it is red, green, and blue. Okay, this is about remove. Remove used to remove the first occurrence of a value. Okay, or else you can assume it that first occurrence of a duplicate element. Next, pop. Pop, see, push, pop, peek. These all operations you have heard in, you might have been heard in data structure, stack. Okay. So here I am creating a list named stack 1, 2, 3. There are three elements 1, 2, 3. I want to pop an element. Basically, by default, it pops the last item of the stack. So here stack.pop, the popped item is printed here, print item. That means the popped item will be printed using print item. After that, after the popping of 3, the remaining elements in the stack is printed using print stack. So here the item is 3 and the remaining stack is 1 comma 2. This is about popping. Popping used to remove last item by default. If you want to specify it, if you want to remove specific element, then don't specify that element. Specify that index, and the index stored at that and the element stored at the index will be removed automatically. See, I'll explain again. Stack. I'm creating one more example. Stack 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to remove the element 3. Here what I'm giving 2. This is index. 1 is at 0th index, 2 is at first index, 3 is at second index, 4 is at third index. If I want to remove specific element, I want to give that index of the element. So item, that the item which I am going to remove is at index 2, that is 3. Okay. So print item, the item gets removed, that is 3 gets removed. After removal of item, we are printing stack 1, 2, 4 is left because 3 got popped out. This is about pop. Pop gender by default removes last element. But if we want to remove specific element, give index of the element. Give the index number of the element, not don't give element number. So this is about pop operation. Sort. Sort generally by default, it sorts in ascending order, but we can give certain specification. Same like pop operation. So here one of the example is given. I have created a list of numbers, nums named by name nums. So 3142. Here it is in jumbled form. Here it is not in a proper order. It is in unordered form. So I want to sort it. So now I am giving sort command, nums dot sort command. Okay, print nums. After implementing nums dot sort command, if I print nums variable, I'll get sorted order 1, 2, 3, 4, which is in a sequential order. This is about sort command. Okay. Basically, it sorts by default. By default, it sorts ascending order. But if we give any specific parameters or specific conditions, it sorts according to that. Okay. Basically, to sort an element, we use sort command in list. These are about 6 main operations used in list. Okay. Once again, I'll give a brief about append used to add an element at the end of the list. Means only at the end we can add. We can't give any specification. As the name itself suggests, append. Append means means appending at the end of the list. So insert. Here we can add some specifications. Here we can insert an element at any specific index. Okay, this is about insert. Extend. Extending means clubbing two lists or combining two lists. Okay, using extend command. Okay, next remove. Remove used to remove the first occurrence of the element. Okay, popping. Remove and returns the element from list. Okay, by default it returns last item, but if we give specific index, the element stored in that index will be removed. This is about pop. Sort used to sort ascending order by default, but if we can give any specification if we want, just like above pop operation. Generally it sorts by ascending order, means here there is a list of unordered elements. For this, if I want to convert it into order, I'll use sort command. After using sort command, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, which is in a sequential order. These are about 6 main important operations of the list. Hope you like my lecture. If you like my lecture, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Visionary Tech. More videos are going to come and more informative content I am going to give. So thank you. Hope you liked my video. Thank you.